Germ Theory for Babies by Ferrie, Neal Goldstein, and Joanna Suder. This is a ball. This ball represents a healthy person. This is a sick person. How did this person get sick? We used to think getting sick was caused by bad air known as miasmas. But this is not correct. Doctors and scientists looked closely at a sick person. Really close. Really close. They saw tiny creatures. Some of these creatures can be good for us, like the bacteriophage or lactobacillus. But some of these can be bad for us, like the coronavirus or the Ebola virus. The bad creatures can make us sick. They are called germs. Some germs can spread directly between people, and some can spread indirectly through objects and even animals. Germs can live anywhere, at home, at school, and in the environment. And some germs can live for hours or even days on certain surfaces. If you touch those surfaces, the germs may spread to you. Touching your mouth, nose, or eyes could then make you sick. To prevent germs from spreading, wash your hands while you sing Happy Birthday twice. Back, fingernails, front, and between the fingers for about 20 seconds. That's how you can fight back. Now you know germ theory.